Democratic leadership is a style where leaders involve their team members in decision-making processes. It fosters a collaborative environment where everyone's opinion and ideas are valued before making important choices. At its core, democratic leadership emphasizes participation and inclusivity. The leader seeks input from their team, encouraging open discussions and considering various viewpoints before reaching a decision. This approach promotes a sense of shared responsibility and ownership among team members. One of the defining aspects of democratic leadership is the value placed on teamwork and collective decision-making. The leader facilitates discussions where everyone has the opportunity to contribute ideas and perspectives. This inclusive environment cultivates a sense of empowerment among team members, making them feel valued and heard. Communication in a democratic leadership setting is two-way. The leader not only shares information, but actively listens to the thoughts and suggestions of their team members. This open communication fosters trust and respect within the team, creating a supportive atmosphere where everyone feels comfortable sharing their viewpoints. Democratic leaders encourage a culture of collaboration and consensus building. Rather than imposing decisions, they facilitate discussions and seek consensus among team members. While the leader retains final decision-making authority, they take into account the input received from the team. This leadership style promotes creativity and innovation within the team. By leveraging the collective intelligence of the group, democratic leaders can harness diverse actions and perspectives, leading to more creative solutions and approaches to challenges. Democratic leadership nurtures a sense of ownership among team members. Because their input is considered in decision-making, individuals feel more committed to the outcomes and are more likely to take responsibility for their actions. However, while decision-making leadership has many advantages, it might not always be suitable for every situation. Decision-making processes can take longer due to the emphasis on consensus, what might not be feasible in time-sensitive situations. In addition, reaching consensus may not always be achievable, leading to potential conflicts or delays in decision-making. Democratic leadership fosters an inclusive and participative environment where team members are involved in decision-making processes. It promotes teamwork, creativity, and a sense of ownership among individuals. While it might not be ideal in every scenario, this leadership style encourages collaboration and empowers team members by valuing their input and fostering a culture of shared responsibilities. Successful leadership often involves adapting different styles and depending on the situation and needs of the team or organization.